What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making the viral TikTok grinder sandwich. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need pepperonis, salami, Cajun turkey, pepper jack cheese, Colby Jack cheese, Parmesan cheese, shredded lettuce, butter, a tomato, red onion, French bread, red wine vinegar, pepperoncinis, minced garlic, mayo, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red pepper flakes, and Italian seasoning. We're going to begin by shredding some Parmesan cheese. Next, we're going to slice the tomato. Slice a red onion. Place onions in an ice bath for 5 minutes. Now we're going to make our garlic parmesan butter. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic. Season with parsley, Italian seasoning, and garlic powder. Add a handful of Parmesan cheese. Mix and place to the side. Cut your French bread down the center. Brush the top of your French bread with garlic Parmesan butter. On the bottom half of your French bread, layer it with pepper jack cheese and Colby Jack cheese. Add a layer of salami. Add a layer of pepperonis. Add a layer of Cajun turkey. Add another layer of Colby Jack cheese and pepper jack cheese. Place both halves on the baking sheet and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. While our sandwich is in the oven, we're going to begin on our slaw. In a bowl, add a handful of lettuce. Add red onions. Add a handful of pepperoncinis. Add 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Add a half cup of mayo. Season with crushed red pepper flakes, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. Mix until all of the ingredients is well incorporated. Next, we're going to season our tomatoes with salt and black pepper. Now that our sandwich is done baking, we're going to dress it with tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and our slaw. And there you have it, the viral TikTok grinder sandwich. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.